If you're looking for products you can use to protect your home and garden from pests that can harm plants or animals, look for products made with Dinotefuran. Dinotefuran is a neonicotinoid made to control pests like aphids, flies, ants, and beetles. In this video, we'll teach you about the active ingredient itself and how to use popular products made with it. Check the video's description for timestamps if you want to jump to a specific point. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. Dinotefuran was first registered for use in the United States in 2004. This is an active ingredient used in pesticides to control insects on agricultural, residential, and commercial properties. It has broad-spectrum use, meaning it can control a wide variety of insects. Products made with Dinotefuran come in a variety of different formulations, including concentrates, granules, and aerosols. Dinotefuran is a neonicotinoid. Neonicotinoids were made to mimic the effects of nicotine, which is normally found in tobacco. Products made with Dinotefuran work to interfere with the pest's central nervous system, inflicting paralysis. This creates an inability to function or eat, eventually leading to the pest's death. Depending on the formulation, it can take minutes to several hours for exposed pests to die. Dinotefuran insecticides are safe to use when applied according to their product label directions. Always wear the proper personal protective equipment, or PPE, when applying insecticides and keep them out of reach of any children or pets. Exposure via consumption, inhalation, or direct skin contact may cause harm. Formitrol is a ready-to-use ant bait gel made with Dinotefuran and methoprene. This product is used to control nuisance ants like citronella ants or pavement ants. Once found, ants consume the bait and bring it back to the colony to share, leading to a systemic elimination. Before applying bait, locate ant trails and clean and sanitize all areas. For the best control, ants must have no alternative food sources that may direct them away from the bait. Do not clean with harsh detergents or bleach, as those will deter ants away from your bait placements. After the area is prepped, you may start the application. Take 1 syringe of bait, remove its cap, and insert the included plunger into the end of the syringe. Push the plunger down to dispense bait. Bait can be applied in spots or strips near actively foraging ants, mound entrances, or nest sites. Spots can be 1/4 inch in diameter, while strips can be 1 to 2 inches in length. Leave the bait sites alone and periodically check to reapply bait as needed. Quikstrike Fly Bait is a ready-to-use granular fly bait made with Dinotefuran and Z9-trichosine. This product is designed to lure and control housefly infestations that have broken out in the low-level areas of industrial, commercial, or agricultural properties. Before application, calculate the size of your treatment area and use that to determine how much product you'll use. For scatterbait applications, use 1/4 pound of Quikstrike per 500 square feet. If you're using a bait station, use 2 ounces of product per station, then set 1 station to cover a 250 square foot area. When scattering bait, just scatter the granules evenly on dry surfaces. Focus on areas where fly activity has been observed, and avoid windy areas. Quikstrike may be applied daily as it's consumed to maintain continuous control. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can eliminate and control a wide variety of insects on your property, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.